Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at home and doing your study well. So, students, welcome you all in your English 2 online class of class 2. Okay, students, do you remember what we were doing day before yesterday on Tuesday? Yes, we had completed book exercises of lesson 4. Okay, we had done that lesson 4, all the book exercises. Okay, so students, today in this class I am going to do the copy work. Okay, so before starting the copy work, I want to tell you something that students, today is the last class of your first semester portion. You know now what is in your first semester portion? Yes, there are 4 lessons. Lesson 1, that is the story Stone Soup. Lesson 2, that is a poem, Useless Things. Lesson 3, that is also a story, Learning Together. And lesson 4, that is a poem, Sing a Math Rhyme. Okay, students? So in your first semester, there are 4 lessons, 2 poems and 2 stories. Okay? So students, I hope you all are doing your book exercises and the copy work of all the lessons. Lesson 1, Lesson 2, Lesson 3 and Lesson 4. So students, please do your work. Take the help of your parents. Ask your parents to guide you to complete your work. Alright students? And students, please, it's requested, please write very neatly with proper finger gap, with sharp pencil. Okay? Okay, students. Students, when you are doing your work, your copy work or your book exercises, if you find any difficulty, any doubt, please don't get confused. Just note it down somewhere in the rough copy. Everything will be clarified when the school will reopen. Okay? So don't worry. Enjoy your study. Okay? Listen to your parents, complete your work, and please try to write very neatly. So students, now I am going to start copy work of lesson 4. Okay? Alright students. So students, there is one more thing that watch the video very carefully. At the end of the video, I am going to tell you what you have to do in your summer assignment. Okay? I will tell you what you have to do in your summer assignment. I will explain the summer assignment work for you all. Okay? So watch the video very carefully. Okay? Now I am going to start the copy work of lesson 4. Alright students? Are you people ready? Okay. So, in lesson 4, in your copy, first work is, first of all you have to write lesson 4, then you have to write name of the lesson, okay. Now after this we are going to write the question. Okay, and what is the question? Question is write first 5 lines of the poem. This is your first work of lesson 4 in your copy. Question is write first 5 lines of the poem. So you have to write first 5 lines of the poem. Okay? How you have to write? after writing the question, when you write down the question, write first 5 lines of the poem. Then you write number 1. Number 1 is add some in. See your book, everything is written there, okay? Add some in. Then number 2, take some away. Okay? Then write number 3, do some math every day. Okay? There is a full stop. Alright? Students, please start with the capital letter and very careful about the punctuations. Okay? Don't forget to put the full stop. Okay? See your book. Everything is written in your book, but this is the poem you have to write. Number 1, add some in. Number 2, take some away. Number 3, do some math every day. Full stop. Okay? Now I'm going to write number 4 and 5. Number 4 and 5. Number 4 and 5 is number 4. Count ahead, and number 5, count backward. Okay? You have to write all 5 lines. You start from add some in, take some away, do some math every day, count ahead, count backward. Till here. Okay? You have to start from add to backward. Okay? 5 lines you have to write. Now we are moving to the text book work. Next, copy work. And the next copy work is this. Dictation words. Dictation words of the lesson. You have to write down the dictation words of the lesson. So before writing, after writing the poem, first 5 lines of the poem, you go for the next new page. And then again you have to start writing from there. That is lesson 4. Then you will write lesson 4 there at the new page, next new page. Then again you will write the name of the poem. What is the name of the poem? Singer, math, rhyme. Singer, math, rhyme. Again, you write, just leave one line here after writing the name of the poem, and you write down dictation words. Dictation words. And you have to write dictation word 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dictation words you have to write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dictation words you have to write. Okay? 5 dictation words. So, dictation words. Alright? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Number 1 is rhyme. R-H-Y-M-E. Spelling of rhyme. Number 2. Build. B-U-I-L-D. Shapes. S-H-A-P-E-S. Shapes. Number 4 is count. C-O-U-N-T. Count. And number 5 is number. N-U-M-B-E-R. So students, you have to learn all the words. all the dictation words. There are only 5 dictation words in this lesson. Number 1, RHYME rhyme. Number 2, BUILD build. Number 3, SHAPS shapes. Number 4, COUNT count. And number 5, NUMBER number. You have to learn all the words for your dictation writing exam. Okay. Now I am moving for the next copy work. And your next copy work is word meaning. Okay. Your next copy work of lesson 4 is word meaning. Number 1 is build. Number 2, backward. Number 3, every day. And number 4 is rhyme. I've given 4 word meaning from this lesson. Okay, you have to learn only 4 word meaning from this lesson. Lesson 4. Okay, lesson 4. Word meaning. Build. What is the meaning of build? Create. Okay. Number 2, backward. The meaning of backward is reverse. Backward, reverse, back. Every day. Daily. 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 And rhyme. Rhyme means poem. Okay. There are 4 word meanings in this lesson. In lesson 4 there are 4 word meanings. I have given 4 word meanings to learn. Okay. Number 1, build, create. Number 2, backward, reverse. Number 3, everyday, daily. And number 4, rhyme. Meaning of the rhyme is poem. Okay, students? I think this is clear for you all, this exercise. Okay. Now moving for the next exercise. Again you go for the next new page and you will write lesson 4 there and name of the lesson. Then you will write make sentences. Make sentences. This is your number 3 copy work of lesson 4. Okay. Make sentences. So your first word is sing. You have to make sentence with sing. The word sing. I like to sing in the rain. Okay, you have to underline the word sing because you are using sing in this sentence. Okay, so students, be careful when you are making the sentence because you have to write with the capital letter. You have to start the sentence with the capital letter and end the sentence with the full stop. Okay, so punctuation is very important. Be careful for the punctuation. Start with the capital, end with the full stop, and don't forget to underline the word which one you are using to making the sentence. Okay, which one you are using for making the sentence. Now I am going for the second one. What is the second one? Every day. You have to make sentence with the word every day. The library is open every day. Okay, you have to underline every day. Okay students, start writing your sentence with the capital letter and end with the full stop. Okay, so the sentence for the everyday is the library is open every day. Okay, now moving further, number 3. Number 3, the word is time. So you have to make sentence with word time. Time could not be turned back. Okay students, so which word you have to underline? The word time. Start writing with the capital letter and end with the full stop. Okay, and you have to underline the word which is using in the sentence, which you people are using in the sentence. Okay, time could not be turned back. Okay, now number 4. Number 4 is learn. So you have to make sentence with the word learn. I have to learn more about new things. Okay students, underline learn. So you have to start with capital, end with the full stop, and don't forget to underline the word learn. Okay, I have to learn more about new things. Okay students, so in lesson 4, in your copy work there are 4 exercises. Okay, the first one is write first 5 lines of the poem. Alright, and the second one is dictation verse. 5 words are given: rhyme, build, shapes, count and numbered. And the second word is word meaning, in which there are 4 words. Build, meaning of the build is create, backward, reverse, everyday, daily, rhyme, poem. Okay, and the last exercise is make sentences. In this, the first word is sing. I like to sing in the rain. Every day, the library is open every day. Time could not be turned back. And the last one is learn. I have to learn more about new things. Okay students, these are your exercises of lesson 4. In your first semester portion, there are 4 lessons. In your first semester portion, there are 4 lessons. 4 lessons, okay? First one is stone soup. Second one is useless things. Third one is learning together. And the last one is sing a math rhyme. Okay, there are 4 lessons in your first semester portion. Okay, so you have to learn all the book exercises and the copy work. Okay students, you have to learn all the book exercises and the copy work. So students, all the book exercises and the copy work are already uploaded in your school website, that is lfsraptinagar.ac.in. Visit the website, go to the download link and do your work from there. Okay, lesson 4 book exercises and the copy work, everything is there. Okay, So students, visit the website and complete your work, and you have to learn the exercises and the copy work. Okay. Now students, I'm going to explain you what you have to do in your summer assignment. Okay. As I said that today is the last class for your first semester portion. So I'm going to explain you what you have to do in your summer assignment work. So students, now I'm going to tell you what you have to do in your summer assignment work. Okay. So in your summer assignment, write 10 pages in your writing copy. Okay. Cursive handwriting. Write in cursive handwriting. Okay. Write down 10 pages of cursive writing in your writing copy. You have to write down 10 pages in cursive handwriting in your writing copy. Okay. 4-line English writing copy. 4-line English writing copy. Students, you have to complete your summer assignment in the writing copy, in your English writing copy. Please student, don't write in your English 2 copy. You have to complete your summer assignment in English writing copy. Okay. In English writing copy, you have to write down 10 pages in cursive writing. Okay. In cursive writing, you have to write down the 10 pages. Okay. Now, your second work is you have to write the poem. You have to write down the poem, sing a math rhyme and decorate it. Okay, you have to write down the poem, complete poem. Okay, you have to write down the poem, sing a math rhyme. Complete poem you will write in your writing copy and you will decorate the poem. Okay, understand what I am saying? That your first summer assignment work is you have to write down 10 pages in your cursive handwriting. Okay, you have to write down 10 pages in writing copy with cursive handwriting. Okay, and second work is you have to write the poem, sing a math rhyme and decorate it. You have to write down the full poem. You have to write down the full poem. Okay, math rhyme, this. Okay, you have to write down the full poem from add. First of all, you write down name of the poem, then you write from add to rhyme, complete poem. Okay, you have to write down the complete poem from add to rhyme. You have to write down complete poem. Okay, 3 paras are here. Okay, you have to complete all the 3 paras, write down and decorate the poem. Okay, this one is your second work. And what is your third work? The third work is you have to, 2 writing work are there. First one is 10 pages cursive handwriting in your writing copy, and the question number 2 is you have to write down the rhyme, sing a math rhyme, full rhyme in your writing copy. In your writing copy, again and again I am repeating the word, you have to complete your summer assignment in the writing copy, not in English 2 copy. Okay, please don't write in English 2 copy, write down in the writing copy, English writing copy. Okay, and decorate it. You have to write down 10 pages in cursive handwriting in the writing copy, and you have to do the poem writing and the decoration also in the writing copy. Okay, now your third work is you have to learn all the exercises and the copy work of lesson 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, you have to learn the book exercises and the copy work of your first semester portion. Okay, in your first semester portion there are 4 lessons, so you have to learn all the 4 lessons, book exercises and the copy work. Alright students, I think you understand this. I think everything is clear for you all what you have to do in your summer assignment. Okay students, summer assignment is also there in the website, so visit the website, you will find every detail there. Okay, so students, in your summer assignment you will do 10 pages cursive handwriting in your writing copy. You have to write down the complete poem, sing a math rhyme. Be careful, you will write only lesson 4 poem of lesson 4, that is sing a math rhyme. Okay, there are 3 paras, you have to write all the 3 para and you will decorate it, but you will write the poem in your writing copy. Please student, don't do the summer assignment in the English 2 copy. Don't write down in English 2 copy this summer assignment. Okay, you have to do your summer assignment in your English writing copy. And the third one is learn all the exercises and the book work of lesson 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to learn semester 1 portion. Okay, you have to learn first semester portions. You have to learn all the first semester portion. You have to learn all the exercises and the copy work of lesson 1 to 4. Okay students. So students, I hope you understood all the 3 lessons, all the 3 lessons and the lesson 4. Okay students, so students, as I said you that today is the last class of first semester portion. So I hope you understood all the 4 lessons, stories, book exercises and the copy work. So do your study well, concentrate in your study, do your writing work very neatly. Okay, complete your summer assignment and take care of yourself. Listen to your parents. If you find any difficulty, please ask your parents to guide you to write. Okay, ask your parents to guide you to complete the work. Okay, they will guide you to do your work. Okay, so students, if anything will left after that, you will come when the school will reopens. Everything will be clarified in the school. Okay, so students, thank you and have a nice day. Okay, keep yourself safe, stay at home, do your study, enjoy with your study. Okay, thank you students.